What's up everybody, Lucas here, coming to you guys with yet another inside flip tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to learn the Webster inside of the house. Pay attention, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to learn this move. But you gotta focus. So starting right off, when it comes to learning the Webster, something I want you guys to take into consideration is the landing. Why am I jumping to the landing, so early on in the video? The first thing, right? The reason is because a lot of people, when they first start attempting Websters, they land really low. And the thing is if you're gonna flip around and land like this, that could be detrimental to the knees, especially if you land wrong or if you land like this. So in my opinion, what you should honestly do first before doing really anything forward, even though I haven't taught this before, is learn the mechanics of a simple bodyweight squat. Stand comfortably, straight up. What you want to do first is you're going to want to hinge the hips, all right? Hinge the hips means push the butt back like that. And then you bend at the knees. So arms can go out and you bend at the knees. You see that? Bend at the knees. Stacked. You should be able to put a line through your ankle. It kind of goes about through your shoulder. Now do that a couple of times. Just boom, sit into it. Boom, sit into it. That's going to get you used to learning the squat, which is going to get you used to landing in a squat. And if you land in a squat, even if you land low, it still counts, right? Also, if you land with proper form, it's going to be a lot less likely you're going to injure some joint like your knee or your ankle or your toe. So that is why I think it is extremely important to learn a bodyweight squat. Safety reasons and, well, landing reasons. Once you get that down, you can do this. You're going to do a front roll, stand up into a squat, all right? Yeah, we're just evolving here now. So go like this, and up. That gets you used to landing things forward, doing the full turnover, and then standing up in the squat, all right? Next step before you put the mattress down, you're gonna wanna understand the jump into the Webster now. Just like you do a gainer, like you jump with one foot, and you kick with the other, and you lift with your arms, same thing with the Webster, but you're going in the back now. You're gonna wanna pick a foot that's comfortable to jump off of for this move. Now, strangely, because I'm strange, I jump off my right foot and kick with my left for the Webster, even though I gainer off my left and kick with my right. But kind of not dexterous. Pick the foot you're going to jump with, other foot in front like this. Then you're going to swing that other foot back, and when it comes to the back and kicks up in the back, you're going to jump off of the foot and try to chain it together. Also use your arms with the foot kicking and swing them all together, okay? Work on this a little bit and try to get that timing down. Just spot, boom. You can do this two ways. You can do this any way you want really, but you can step back and put your arms out and then kick this down like that and jump up. So arms out, up like that. I guess that would be like a loser flip. Or you can go forward into it, which is the way I like to do. Forward, up, put your mattress down, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that same exercise we just did with the jumping and the timing of the legs and the arms, but we're gonna roll, we're gonna add a roll with it. We're gonna roll onto the mattress, and then we're gonna add the squat in at the end, okay? So it's like you kind of just go through the Webster motion a couple of times, slowly rolling on the mattress. All right, something that can help you get a little bit higher and higher is building a little obstacle or a little ramp, something that's like a ramp. So you can take these two couch cushions, put them together like a teepee, or just use the poo, because he's like a ramp, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get our head to go above the tip. You're gonna start going faster and faster. Using the leg and the arms behind is basically just like using that butt pop in the front flip, okay? But this time you even have your arms and your legs to help you. So really use those to shoot up, because you're gonna be shooting your head down, and you need to counteract the downwards with the upwards. Really, this move is exactly what it looks like, but one thing a lot of people forget is just practicing those basic squats and the roll to the squats in the beginning, and then evolving that. You'll be able to slowly progress into it. All right, bros. So when you're feeling pretty good, when you're landing, in a nice squat position like this on the mattress, you're probably ready to do it on the ground now, okay? Now you can put couch cushions down, throw a blanket over it, but I'm just gonna go for it. Everything applies that you just learned. You're gonna jump off that foot as you time this leg and the arm swinging backwards, okay? That's as good as it's getting, all right? Relax. And with the leg and the arms, you're gonna pop the butt up as well. Oh, jump. head goes down. Then you're gonna tuck right when you leave the ground. Okay, this is gonna get you around quickly. You'll get the feeling from practicing on the mattress, but you'll know when to open up. You might land pretty low the first couple of times, but that's why you practice the squat. If you land low, you're gonna be okay. Now, in my opinion, the Webster side's a little bit easier, and that's kind of like what I do actually. So a little hack there. So if you're really good at doing a side flip or, you know, rolling on your shoulders from shoulder to hip like you should be rolling when you do a roll, all you gotta do is approach it from a slight angle. Webster side. With that being said, everybody, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for really giving me positive feedback on all these inside tutorials. If you have any more suggestions for the inside tutorials, let me know, but I think that pretty much covers all the basic flips and tricks on the inside of the house. If you guys are looking to get in shape or stay in shape during these cold winter, nasty spring months, check out my 12-week calisthenics program, Bodyweight Beast, onlykindsfitness.com. Thank you guys so much for the positive feedback on that as well, and all of my videos, really. I have a very simple challenge tomorrow coming out, 1,000 stair challenge. Very simple, just helping you guys who need that jump start into fitness for the warmer months coming. So stay tuned. With that being said, though, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video. You done good, kid. You're focused. More videos in the works. More ideas. Creations. It's gonna be a good day. You just gotta bend it. Get it, like send it, bend it.